Even if it's not your fault, it is still your responsibility. So, ito na yung example ng modern woman, no? Puro physical features na lang sila. Malaki suso, maputi, malaki suso. Naglalaro lang dun sa dalawa eh. Tapos, masasaktan sila pag dinescribe yung ugali nila, kung ano sila, kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila. Tapos, imbis na makipag-argumento, magrason, gagawin nila, ganun lang. Tapos, pag na-real talk, umiyak, oh, pa-victim ako, help me guys, someone is bullying me. No. You're not being bullied. You're being slapped by the truth. Hindi niya lang matanggap.
This is Pinoy Extreme.